Hey guys, it's R.V.C. here, and I'm back again with another video. Recently, we've been experiencing a lot of power blackouts. And if you work online like me, or even just rely on Wi-Fi at home, you already know how frustrating that can be. The power goes out, and instantly your router dies. No internet, no uploads, no work. So that's exactly why I decided to buy this. This is a mini DC UPS for routers. And today, we're going to unbox it, take a quick look at it, and I'll also explain why I think this is one of the most useful gadgets you can buy right now. This model is called the POE432E Mini DC UPS. And according to the box, it comes with a 10,000 mAh battery inside, which should be enough to keep your router running during a power blackout. Some of the key features written here are 9-volt and 12-volt output, PoE support, USB output, and it's designed for devices like routers, modems, CCTV cameras, and more. Basically, the idea is simple. When power is available, this device charges itself. But the moment the electricity goes off, it automatically switches to battery power so your router keeps running. No interruption. And honestly, that's exactly what I needed. Now, the reason I bought this is very simple. Because lately, power outages have become very common. Sometimes the electricity goes off for a few minutes, other times it can be much longer. And every time that happens, my internet connection completely dies, which is a big problem for me because I upload videos, I work online, and I rely on internet access almost every day. So instead of buying a big, expensive UPS, I decided to try something smaller and simpler that is designed specifically for routers. That's where this mini UPS comes in. It's compact, it's portable, and it should keep the internet running even when the lights go off. All right, let's open this up. First thing inside, we have the mini UPS unit. And as you can see, it's actually very compact, much smaller than a traditional UPS, which means it's easy to place right next to your router. Next inside the box, we have the power adapter. This is what charges the UPS while also powering your router at the same time. And then we also have the DC cables. These cables connect the UPS between the wall power and your router. So the setup should be something like this. Power from the wall goes into the UPS. Then the UPS powers your router. And if electricity goes off, the UPS battery takes over instantly. Now, looking at the device itself, you can see the power button here. We also have LED indicators that show the battery status, and on the back, there are multiple output ports, including 5-volt USB, 9-volt output, and 12-volt output. So, depending on the type of router you have, you just select the correct voltage. Most routers usually use 12-volt, but always check the label on your router first. Now, realistically, this is not meant to power your router for the entire day, but that's not the goal. The goal is to survive those short blackouts. If the electricity goes off for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or even an hour, your internet should still be running. And that's a huge advantage, especially if you're working from home, uploading videos, attending online meetings, or even watching Netflix. So, overall, this is actually a very simple device. But sometimes, simple gadgets like this can make a very big difference, especially in places where power outages happen regularly. I'll be testing this for a few days to see how long it actually powers my router. And if you want, I can also make a full review later showing the real backup time. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye!